If you're interested in privacy and want to get the most out of your Pixel phone, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to install CalyxOS, a privacy-focused Android operating system that's perfect for anyone who wants more control over their data. CalyxOS believes that your phone should be private. Everyone needs a phone. Not everyone wants to be spied on. Reclaim your privacy with CalyxOS. So if you're ready to reclaim your privacy, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the whole process from unlocking the bootloader to flashing CalyxOS step by step. Whether you're new to custom ROMs or just looking for a solid guide, I've got you covered. To begin, search for CalyxOS in your favorite browser and open their official website. Once you're there, you'll need to find your device in their supported devices list. It's crucial to choose the correct device, otherwise, you risk bricking your phone. CalyxOS supports almost all Pixel devices and some others like OnePlus and Xiaomi, although later they are no longer officially supported. If your device isn't listed, you can find information about unsupported devices on XDA forums. In my case, I'm using a Pixel 6a. Next, you'll need to select your PC platform: Mac, Windows, or even Linux. Since I'm using Windows, I'll proceed with that. Now, while you could read through the detailed installation guide on the site, you can leave that to me. You just need to download a few things from here first: the Android USB driver from the official Google site, then the device flasher tool, and finally the factory image for your device. Once you've got those, you're all set. Now let's move on to the installation process. First, open your phone's settings, navigate to About Phone, and enable developer options by tapping several times on the build number. Once enabled, you'll find this new option under System Settings. Now go into Developer Options and enable both OEM unlocking and USB debugging. Connect your phone to your PC using a USB Type-C cable. With your phone connected, it's time to use the files we downloaded earlier. Step 1 is to install the USB drivers. Open the USB driver folder, right-click on the Android WinSB file, and select Install. Done. Next, open the device flasher tool. Make sure your phone stays connected to the cable. This step is crucial. The factory image and the device flasher tool must be in the same folder, and your PC should remain connected to the internet. Simply follow the instructions in the tool. It will handle most of the work for you. When you see the ADP prompt on your phone, allow it, then press Enter in the tool. Once your phone is detected, press Enter again to unlock the bootloader. Your phone will now boot into fast boot mode. Use the volume keys to change the boot order, and when you see Unlock Bootloader, press the power button. Now your bootloader is unlocked. If the tool gets stuck at this step, like it did for me, just close and reopen the flasher tool while keeping your phone in the same state. Once the tool is open again, press Enter to continue flashing. During the flashing process, your phone might reboot several times. This is completely normal. Just keep your phone and PC connected and wait for the next prompt. This installation might take some time. While we're waiting, let me share some interesting features of CalyxOS. First up, CalyxOS is designed with privacy at its core. Unlike regular Android, it doesn't rely on Google services for its core functionality. Instead, it uses microG, an open-source implementation of Google Play services that provides similar functionality without the extensive data collection. This means you can still use apps that require Google services, but with much more control over your data. Another key feature is the built-in firewall. CalyxOS comes with a firewall that lets you control which apps can access the internet, giving you the ability to block apps from using your mobile data or Wi-Fi without your consent. This adds an extra layer of security, ensuring that apps aren't silently transmitting your data in the background. CalyxOS also includes a powerful VPN service that you can use to encrypt your internet traffic and protect your privacy while browsing. Whether you're on public Wi-Fi or just want to keep your online activities private, this built-in VPN has got you covered. Additionally, CalyxOS offers enhanced app permissions. You can restrict apps from accessing sensitive data like your location camera and microphone or even prevent them from running in the background. This granular control helps protect your privacy and ensures that apps only access the information you want them to. Lastly, regular security updates are a big plus. CalyxOS is maintained by a dedicated team that ensures you get timely security patches, keeping your device protected against the latest threats. These features, combined with a clean and minimal user interface, make CalyxOS a solid choice for anyone looking to reclaim their privacy without sacrificing functionality. Flashing is complete. Now it's asking whether to lock the bootloader. If you want to lock your bootloader, use the volume buttons as we did to unlock it. Personally, I'm choosing not to lock mine. You can now safely remove your USB cable. Ignore any warnings while booting. Your phone might take a little longer to boot up the first time. When you see the CalyxOS logo, that means we've successfully installed it. And there it is, the welcome page of CalyxOS. That's it from my side. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button